Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola One Fusion Plus, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So number one, you want to open up content that you wish to capture, which I'm going to use settings as an example. Once it's open and visible, all you need to do is press power key and volume down and hold it for about a second. We'll bring this animation right here, and that's about it. That's your screenshot. Now, as you've seen, there's a couple different options there. I'm going to capture it again just so we can see it. So we have the edit, share. I think this is a editing through an application, delete, and right below the actual photo there's this icon right here. So this is probably one of the more useful options right here, so I'm going to tap on it and this will start scrolling down. Now it stops either by reaching the end of the page as it did right now, or by you simply tapping on the screen. And once it's done, it saves it to the gallery. So this is the first way you can capture a screenshot, and the other one is by holding a power key. And you also have the button for screenshot. It has the same effect as pressing the power key and volume down. As you can see, it captures it, and that's about it. Now it doesn't give me the option to scroll down because I am at the bottom of the page. So that is how you would capture screenshots here. And sometimes there's also a toggle in the notification panel, which looks like it's probably disabled here. Now, all these screenshots that I have captured can be found in the photo gallery. Once you open it and go into library, you will see a screenshots folder right over here. And in here, there we go. So there is the last screenshot that I have captured, and this is the scrollable one and the first one. So that is how you would capture screenshots on this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.